Ating kasama ngayon live via Zoom sina Valerie Levanza at Jethro Dionisio ng Philippine National Shooting Team. Magandang umaga sa inyo, Valerie and Jethro.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning and congratulations sa inyong silver medal finish.
Thank you.
First off, let's talk about your experience dito sa 46 Southeast Asian Association Shooting Championship. How was it? Miss Valerie.
It was a good experience, a learning one once again. Nag-enjoy naman kami and we're happy that ang ating mga delegates from other countries also had a good time sa laban na to.
How about you, Sir Jethro?
Kasi it's been a while since we hosted a international shooting event, so it's really exciting, and then getting to see our friends again from the Southeast Asian countries. So and it was a very successful event. So we're very happy with what happened.
Miss Valerie and Sir Jethro, this is mixed trap event, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you tell us more about the mixed trap event para sa ating mga sports fans na hindi nakakaalam?
So ang mixed trap event is composed of one man and one woman. So it's the same format. We shoot 25 targets in a round. So tatlong rounds siya, total of 75 targets.
Oh, wow. So,
Tsaka para lang maintindihan nung iba, yung trap shooting kasi, this is where we shoot yun we call it a clay bird, kulay orange yan. It's about half-inch thick na 4-inch in diameter. And then every time you command or you make a sound, it's gonna throw the clay away from the shooter. Yun, so babaril mo siya habang lumilipad siya palayo sa'yo. A set of a game is 25, we call it birds. Yun ang one set, 25 birds.
Sir Jethro, upon hearing that, parang very complicated. Ang hirap ng event na ito. But how do you maintain the synchronization or synergy as a duo?
Well, siguro, yun nga, that's why it's called trap. Medyo, when you're there, you're standing for 30 minutes, and then watching other competitors, your 6 competitors shoot at that time na alternate. So, very hard, to maintain the composure for the whole 30 minutes, Kaya that's what makes the event very exciting.
Meron po ba kayong naging strategy dito at nakuha niyo tong silver medal? Ms. Valerie. Go ahead, Sir Jethro.
Hindi, yun the strategy was hopefully to maintain our composure and wag masyadong magkamali while shooting the three sets. Yun ang goal namin. Val.
Yeah.
Miss Valerie, meron po kayong gustong i-add to that?
Yeah. Yun nga, just like Jet mentioned, ang goal is mas makahit ng mas maraming target. But to do that, you have to remain focused, you have to concentrate. Actually, I think that's the challenge, how to do that in a duration of 30 to 45 minutes. It so happened na magaling lang talaga yung partner ko.
Yun, of course.
At, yeah. He played very well on that day. So, thankful ako.
Miss Valerie, na-mention nyo na you need to maintain consistency and accuracy and focus dito sa event na ito. But how do you train that? Sir Jethro? Paano yung nagiging training moments yun para to make sure that consistent kayo with your
Well, first of all, yun actual training no, that we do. We go to the range siguro mga times a week. And then aside from that, yun mental preparation na ginagawa namin. Like for me, I do like a meditation, every time na we're out of the range and doing a personal physical exercise, kasama doon yung mental preparation.
So, Sir Jethro, talagang nakakatulong ang meditation sa shooting pala, no? I mean, who would have thought na kailangan ng meditation sa shooting? Kayo naman, Miss Valerie, how do you...
kasi lalo na dito, kumbaga,
Sorry, go ahead, sir. Medyo...
yes, kasi nga, it's kumbaga, we can call it an individual sport, it can be compared to siguro a golf game na kailangan ang kalaban mo is yung sarili mo. Kaya you have to be mentally tough for this competition.
Now let's talk about your advocacy, Sir Jethro. No, you've been a 5-time world champion, and I believe that part of your career po is your legacy. Can you tell us more about that, your advocacy?
Well, at a very young age, I was really a firearm enthusiast, no? And I was introduced to the sport by my father. And then as the years go by, naano ko na yung firearm, it's always related kasi to a negative side eh. Medyo it's dangerous. Ginagamit to for like crimes, and all that. But aside the experience, it kumbaga train me to be more calm and then to have a respect on firearms na it is a dangerous weapon, but once you're trained with it, you will be very disciplined.
Miss Valerie, being a woman in a very male-dominated sport, how do you parang surpass these challenges? Ano po ba yung mga challenges na naharap nyo sa very masculine sport?
Well, I started when I was 12. I've been shooting for 35 years, I think, now. And nag-start ako talaga sa pistol together with Jeff. We started with practical shooting and speed shooting. So, talagang ang challenge lang is, you have to train really hard for a competition. Alongside with that, there's, physical, mental training. So, that takes a lot of time from us. Before, it was okay kasi bata pa kami and all we do is go to the range and shoot. But now, syempre, as we age, we have our work. We're in reality now that we have to make a living. So we have to make also time para makapag-training kami. So for now, I think yun lang lately yung mga challenges namin. Because we're not really that yung professional shooting lang talaga compared to other countries na yun lang ang ginagawa nila.
Sa tingin niyo po ba, Miss Valerie, mas bukas na siya ngayon sa mga kababaihan?
I'm sorry?
Mas bukas na itong sport na to sa kababaihan. They're more open to this sport, sa shooting. Mas dumadami po ba ang mga female shooters natin here in the Philippines?
Yes. Back way before when I started, siguro a few women lang ang makikita mo sa range. But now there's like siguro mga 50 at least per each sa lahat ng categories sa practical. But in trap shooting, dumadami na rin siya because we're inviting, mga interested people to come and try and see for themselves what, what they can do and anong pwede nilang, if they're gonna be interested in this kind of sport.
Ma'am, sir, sa tingin niyo po ba, si Sir Jethro is a 5-time world champion. Kayo po, 2 beses din po nagkaroon ng world title. Do you think po sa generation natin ngayon, somebody will follow into your footsteps? May mga promising athletes po ba tayo ngayon?
Yes. Actually, right now we have several young shooters, upcoming shooters who are getting into it, who are world champions also. Men and women ng mga, they call it junior, talagang is doing really well and having the support of their parents. Currently, we have world champions na sa younger generation.
Now, let's talk about yung hosting po ng Philippines doon sa 46th Southeast Asian Association. Can you enlighten us? Ano po ba to? Ms. Valerie.
46 Southeast Asian, you're asking?
Yes, po yung hosting po natin.
Yeah, it's composed of Southeast Asian countries plus Chinese Taipei. So it's the same format as the regular trap shooting competition, but the participants added ang Chinese Taiwan to that. So it's like parang what happened was practice na rin ng ating for SEA Games next year.
Sir Jethro, how are we preparing for this upcoming competition?
So right now, ang pinag-ahandaan na namin will be the SEA Games for next year. Thailand will be hosting the SEA Games, So right after this Christmas season, balik na naman kami sa regular training namin. We'll probably be practicing at least 3 times a week. Ito lang, with the upcoming election and we will have the gun ban, hopefully we could request for a exemption, so we'll be able to go to the range and do our regular training.
Oo nga po, medyo mahirap kasi may gun ban ngayon, but I'm sure that mapagbibigyan po sana ang ating mga national athletes to practice for the upcoming competitions.
Sana naman po.
Finally po, bago tayo magtapos, any message po, or please do invite our sports fans to support Philippine shooting. Sir Jethro?
I invite in my interested, especially the young people that we have, the women, men. If you're interested in the sport of shooting, like for shotgun, for pistol, you can visit yung mga shooting ranges near you, or gun clubs or stores near you. I'm sure they will be very accommodating, and they have gun clubs there where you can try yung mga kung anong event ang medyo patitipuhan nyo na bagay sa inyo. Thank you.
Thank you po. Ms. Valerie, message po sa ating mga viewers.
Yeah, I want to invite especially the young ones to try this trap shooting. It's an Olympic sport, so alam naman natin sa dugo ng mga Pilipino, talagang love nila ang shooting. Pero come to the range and shoot with us and come see for yourselves. Yun
Naku,
lang.
ako excited. Parang naging interested din ako mag-shooting. Sir Jethro,
Oo,
baka naman.
masaya siya.
Miss Valerie,
Masaya siya.
Masaya, sige.
Pwede
Pwede
try.
po, Promise yan. At bibisitahin ko po kayo dyan. Samantala, salamat po Miss Valerie and Sir Jethro sa pag-unlak sa aming panayam ngayong
Thank
umaga.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.